The sketch of y equals to 1 over x needs to show the characteristic of the graph. That is, this graph is symmetrical about the line y equals to x and y equals to negative x. It is not compulsory to follow my way of sketching as long as your sketch shows the characteristic of the graph. When x is positive, y is positive. When x is negative, y is negative. So the curve will only occupy this quadrant and this quadrant. Recall that it has two asymptotes, x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. For me, I'm going to use a point on the line y equals to x to help myself. For example, I use the measurement of 0.6 cm and 0.6 cm. As I sketch, this part of the curve should get nearer and nearer to the y-axis. This part of the curve should get nearer and nearer to the x-axis. If you need to, tilt the paper so that you are in a comfortable position to sketch. Again, I'm going to find a point on the line y equals to x to help me in my sketching. Zero point 0.6 cm, 0.6 cm. With x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 as the asymptotes, this part of the curve will get nearer and nearer to the x-axis. This part of the curve will get nearer and nearer to the y-axis. Once you're done, check that it is symmetrical about the line y equals to x and y equals to negative x.